guys, we are here in Santa Barbara. We just got here, like a 2-hour drive, and it is a little hot. So, where with your boy?
Frassini, baby.
Yeah, let's go. We gotta wait for Sherry to come out of the car. You coming, Miss Sherry?
No.
Okay, come on. Okay. Come on, you guys. Let's see what's going on.
That's something I didn't realize.
It's so nice. How does everything look, Miss Sherry?
It looks beautiful.
Okay.
And where's our yacht again?
Oh, I think ours is the one over there somewhere.
Oh, it's that one. That big one.
Is this really the restaurant we're eating at?
No, Frassini, the restaurant's over there. Frassini, baby!
You better believe it.
Santa Barbara.
Let's walk down here. Ooh, it's so steep. Oh, it's such a steep walk. Sherry. Come. Yes, come on down. Bam. Bam. Come on down, Miss Sherry. Come on down.
Tricky to come down these stairs.
Come on down, Miss Sherry. Welcome to my neighbor.
Hi. It's not really my home. Oh, it's your
Well, I mean,
okay.
we know that. This is her beautiful boat. What's the name of it? Julia's a beautiful boat. And look at her chilling on her beautiful boat on this wonderful 4th of July. Must be nice. We're loving it. Nice to have met you. Okay, nice. Very, very nice. Ooh, nice. They are just big time chilling. I'm loving it. Yo, guys, yay! My Sherry amor, lovely like this beautiful day. My Sherry amor, man, she's looking good today. She's hanging out with Jay, and we're enjoying this beautiful day. She's my Sherry amor. We're gonna get something to eat.
Woo!
Because my
Frassini,
stomach
baby.
is growling so much. You guys, roll with us. Roll with us, guys. Roll with us. Let's roll.
Mexico.
Oh, nice gift. Look at this guy. He's looks like he over here chilling on some big seahorse. Man, if they had seahorses that big, man, God, I don't know what else is in the sea.
Did you read it?
I didn't read it. What are we reading?
Boy on a Seahorse, a gift from the people of Puerto Vallarta.
Oh, thank you for the nice gift.
Our sister city given in friendship to the people of Santa Barbara.
Oh. What are we having, Miss Sherry? Is this too hot?
No, it's clam chowder. It's super good.
Can I have a taste?
Sure. It's good, huh? Here, that's your spoon and that's it.
I'm so hungry. I just want one more bite. Por favor. I can't get a break. Can't get a break. Doggone, it's just not fair. So I got a burger coming. You guys, my food came and it's pretty good. I haven't had onion rings in a long time. It's pretty good. And this is my new friend Jackie. Say hi to my people on camera, Jackie. Yeah, that's my new friend Jackie. She's got a boat and a store that we're going to check out, and we're going to add her on Instagram.
I'll show you my boat, but you're not gonna like it. It's small.
All right, we'd love to see it. Okay, guys, we are off to go see the wizard, the wonderful Wizard of Oz.
We going on Jackie's to the yacht.
We about to go to Jackie's yacht.
And we're not taking the harbor because I am like drunk.
Yes, we're gonna get it started, and we're gonna convince her to take us to Catalina Island and back, just for.
You pay for gas.
Okay, we'll pay for the gas.
It costs $3 to hold the damn boat up. I got
Oh, okay, then maybe not, because it's cheaper to go to the Catalina Express.
It's that one right there.
Okay, well, I ain't gonna lie to you guys. We just came from, I don't know what the name of that restaurant was,
That was the breakwater.
but I had a burger that wasn't that good. It was probably a little bit better than the one me and Scott went to.
Clam chowder was off
We got the clam chowder to go, and so we're gonna have that later on. And right now we're gonna parlay on the yacht, baby. Oh, look, there she is. Hey, We are about to go hang out with Miss Jackie, baby, on this beautiful Delusional is what she's called. The name of her boat is Delusional.
Come on, Sherry. Get on here.
Where is Miss Sherry? Come on, Miss Sherry. Come on.
Hi, Miss Sherry's getting on the delusional.
Yeah, come on.
So I won't be delusional. I won't be no delusion.
Scaring away the birds.
Okay.
We're on the delusional, but we're not delusional.
For real. It's a beautiful boat. I'm gonna take you guys on a quick little tour of everything. We love it. It's got a beautiful boat. Where's my glass of wine at? You got enough?
Yeah.
I would love a small glass. This is everything. I love the bed. Ooh. Is this all you have? I don't want you to take your last one. No, I don't want to take your last one. You get that.
Wait, one picture with the three. Ow, I bumped my head.
With all three of us?
Stand right there.
Okay, hold on. Let me put this down.
Okay, wait.
Here, I got another one. Here, take it. Come on, I got two.
Go in the middle. I'll send it to you.
Cheers, you guys, for the new year 2020. So we are sitting here on the Delusional, drinking on some Marley, and nice
We're
parlaying, drinking on some Marley.
And you're not laughing at my boat. That is
Oh
amazing.
no, it's I don't know why she keeps saying that. Jackie has an absolutely beautiful boat. We're gonna do cheers for this 2020. We kind of a little bit escaped the COVID-19. Cheers. I'm here with my bestie, and we are having a good time. Cheers, cheers, cheers.